Hi, my name is Erica and I'm going to show you how to make your own Facebook page cover. You're going to need some digital clip art and also a digital paper background. You can find these on Etsy or creativemarket.com, or you can do a Google search and find some that way. Here's the banner I'm going to recreate for the tutorial. Just a completely made up Facebook page. Okay, and there's also a Facebook page I want you to know about, and this is how you verify what the dimensions should be for the cover. Okay, so as you can see right here, there's a description when I clicked on their cover, and it's basically telling you that you need to double the dimensions when you're creating your Facebook cover. And the reason for this is if you don't double the dimensions, you won't get as crisp and clear of a graphic. So make sure that you do that. Also, always make sure that you come to this page and verify the current Facebook dimensions for covers. The website I'm going to use to create this banner is picmonkey.com. The first thing you're going to want to do is put in the custom canvas size, which is those double dimensions. Okay, I'm going to make it a transparent background, and that's just a preference. You don't have to. You can start with the white. And then you're going to want to locate the butterfly icon, which is called overlays, and that's going to be the way we're going to upload our elements. So when you get to overlays, go to add your own from your computer, and we're going to start by putting the digital paper background onto the canvas. It's going to come on really tiny. So what I do is I make it so that my banner template fits on the screen. I can see the whole thing, and then I'm going to take the digital paper and just kind of stretch it out to fit. Okay, so do that by just resizing and pulling and dragging the corners. Once you're happy, go ahead and click off of it, and you're ready to add the next element. So go to add your own from your computer again, and just go ahead and drop on the frame, or at least I'm dropping on a frame. You'll drop on your next element and just kind of resize that until you're happy. For me, I need to verify that I'm recreating the example banner pretty much the same, or at least close. So once you're happy, you can go ahead and add on the next element. And it's going to be this cupcake right here. So again, just drag it to where you want it, resize it. You can also, see that little dot on top? You can also rotate your items. And that's what I did with that. Next, I'm going to add the cookie. And I'm going to rotate her a little bit. Okay, so from here on, you get the idea that you're just going to you're going to upload all your elements, and then you're going to resize them, rotate them, or whatever, until you're happy. So really quickly, I'm just going to add a few more details, and in this case, it's going to be some little bows for my treats. Okay, so now it's time to add text. Those two double T's is how you add text. You're going to find the font you want. You're going to do add text, and from there you're just going to type in your letters. And since this is a completely made up Facebook page, I just kind of made up a name. One tip I do want to tell you is that when you're adding text to a banner, so that you can get a little variety in there, add all of your text in different text boxes. The reason for that is you can do each of the line of text in different fonts. And also you can control the spacing between the different lines. So I can move these two lines as close together as I want, And when you put them all in the same text box, you can't do that. So that's why for each line of text, I make a new text box. So just go ahead and play with the fonts, play with the spacing and sizing, and that's what I'm doing here. So let me just finish this up really quick, and it takes me a while to kind of be happy with it. But once you are, we're going to save it. So hit save, give it a name, and I like to save mine as a PNG file just because it preserves the quality a little better. Verify the dimensions are okay. Go ahead and save, and you're done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment, and I will respond.